Good morning. It is Monday, January 12th. We have split our logbook and now we're getting ready to roll out. So with that being said, we are 129 miles out. We should be there by 7:30. Yeah, I split my logbook. I just wasn't having warm fuzzies about where this place was, so that's about what we did. So I'll let you ride out of the rest area, and then I'll see you with my shipper, or not my shipper, my receiver. And yes, 5:30 in the morning. Mr. Barky McBarkin's there. Frankie, say hi. He's too busy trying to bark. Oh. Looky, Frankie. So yeah. So we'll see you in Little Rock. We are in Little Rock, Arkansas, getting unloaded. And of course, we got Mr. Frankie over there just barking away. As you can see, this was a fun dock to get into. Yeah, not very much room at all. We are unloaded before the end of our 2 hours. We actually got some time. I'll probably run down to the Loves down the road. So, yep. See you later. Until late. Alright. I'm gonna go. Alright. Well, we are now leaving that customer and head to the truck stop to finish up our break. Don't have to PC. I got in and out of there just in enough time. So we finish up our break and then we head to Pine Bluff, Arkansas. We got until 4:30 to get there. Plenty of time. Plenty of time. Right, Frankie? Is that plenty of time? Yeah. Frankie says that's plenty of time. So, we got 53 minutes. We're 4 miles from the truck stop. Well, 5 technically. I better stop. There's a stoplight. So yeah. So another Crete truck pulled in. There was one already there. kind of shooting the shit with the other guys. Guys was asking me how I like being an owner-operator. I told them I liked it, you know. So, but yeah, so I will see you later on today. Hopefully I'll have yesterday's, Sunday's video posted. So that being said, hope y'all have a good day, and if I don't see you, I'll check in when I get done with work. I think Frankie knows what to do with himself in the dog park. Off the leash. Oh, I'm gonna mark the toilet, you know? He's gonna run. Hi, Frankie. I don't think he knows what to do. Hi, boy. We are now in Pine Bluff, getting loaded here at South Wire. I'll show you. Light is red. We gotta go over there, scale out, and then go out that way. And then we're going to Red Oak, Iowa, and then from there we're going to Nebraska, then to Georgia. And yes, my little puggy, the little mouth of the South, Frank, the trucking dog. Well, good evening, everybody. It's, what is it, 9 o'clock? Yeah, 9:11. We are in Lamar, Missouri, 280 something miles off from delivery. And then we go to Red Oak. From Red Oak we bounce to Lincoln, and then Lincoln down to Georgia. Lincoln as in Lincoln, Nebraska. So I got a lot of footage. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. And I'm probably going to mess around with Company of Heroes on my tablet and then head to bed. If I haven't said it, welcome to the channel. For the regular viewers, welcome back. If you like this channel, please support it. Hit a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more videos. And if you need a job and you got a year of experience, no DUIs within the last 5 years, no tickets or anything like that, and you got a clean rap sheet, as in your driver's license, give Crete Carrier a call. Tell them Richard sent you, 4220-HORRI. And I'll put the referral page on the end of the video. And just tell them Rich sent you. Before we go, you gotta look at the basket case puggy Frank. Frankie! He's tired pug. Oh, there he is. Night night, Frankie.